All right, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you where you can find the parts to build a babyraptor and my personal opinion on the sites and what's best, stuff like that. So right here we first have Fiberworks, which costs $600 for the front fenders, but you guys do have to realize these are a little wider than stock. As you can see, a lot of people that I know bought these and didn't realize that, which is it's a little crazy, but you can tell right here that this is wider than stock just because it goes over this. Just because the flare goes over this, sorry. So there's not supposed to be any of this for the normal width. And as you can see, it's really round right here. And I don't really like how that looks. But so what I did with the fiberglass was I made this line sharper. And then also this body line sharper. So it gives it more of an aggressive look because I feel like this one's really round. And we are going to be doing the same thing for the bed. So as you can see, so for this right here, this fender liner, don't recommend getting because it's almost $500. As you can see, like, watch. Can I add it? $1,100 for that. And honestly, I don't think it's worth it at the end of the day. The Fiberworks quality is decent. You're gonna have a lot of shit you're gonna have to deal with when it comes to doing the body work for it. But I believe that does come with everything you do when it comes to fiberglass. So for that's what I would recommend. I wouldn't recommend McNeil if you're trying to go for OEM kind of look because they are really expensive. Or you can always go OEM, which you can find on eBay. Close that out. eBay. So let's see, fordraptor fender. As you can see, you can find it for around $650 each, if that. And this one is messed up because it has a crack, but it's usually really easy to fix. Oh, this is not bad. $475 for a fender. That's not bad. $680. This is really good. Doesn't look like there's too much damage. But yeah, if you want to go OEM, you're not gonna find them on Facebook. I'm sorry. It's just something that you're not gonna find for Marketplace. So you're not gonna find it on Facebook. You have to go on eBay or order aftermarket. Or go from factory or whatever the Ford fuck. But that's really expensive, so I wouldn't really recommend that. But as you can see here, just get a used one. Like, honestly, these prices definitely went down since the last time. Because they used to be way more expensive. But there you have it right there. Pretty decent price. But for flares, you are going to be wanting to look on Facebook, Instagram, and eBay. Because the flares you can't really find anywhere else. So for that, you follow like all the people that I follow that I know, like Placosa. I know Placosa sold both from fender flares for $250, which is a fucking steal for them because they're on let's say with everything included, it's like $1,000 just for flares. So you got to just look out for those. Look for people who have the trucks like mine, who do stuff like Lobo Swaps. One of the best guys to go with. He always has good pricing. He'll definitely get you with parts you need. But when it comes to bedsides, Fiberworks and McNeil are the only places you can go unless you go to one from Ford, and then obviously you still have to do the molding. So you do have to do with molding for Fiberworks either way. McNeil, they are making one. It's going to come out in around 2 months. But this is the option I did go with. And we're going to pretty much mold this because it's only 5.5 foot to a 6.5 foot. So we're going to cut my bed 1 foot and then put this one on. And pretty much just go from there. So I'm gonna use this bed, but honestly, if you're not doing the work yourself, I wouldn't recommend that. I would just wait for McNeil. It'd be a lot cheaper, because to do that, I'm sure they'll probably charge you like around like $4,000 to do your bed, with pay and everything. So that's pretty much it for body. It's mainly these two right here. For actual like suspension components, the best thing would be Facebook, since it is around the cheapest. But see, like right here, it gets really difficult when looking for like control arms and stuff like that because they're the more expensive one. 2017. You want to put the lowest year you can get. It just helps with the price. But see, you kind of like just see a bunch of BS like this. So let me put Raptor. And you still get like some stupid shit right here. Like none of this is gonna work. Let me see. Yeah, none of this. And that's kind of the annoying part. So you really just have to look on Facebook for the most part, because that's probably where you're going to find it the easiest and for the best price. Yeah, because see, like, these are all just off of a normal F-150, as you guys can see. And it's kind of difficult to, this is useful right here. If you guys buy used control arms, I definitely recommend buying these bushings because they will go out. But yeah, that's pretty much where you can find the suspension. See, like right now, this was real time. I couldn't find shit. That's why I always get a lot of questions about it. Let me see. Like, see, nothing comes up. So the best thing to do, since it's a lot of like companies selling these parts, you go right here, copy and paste the part. You're gonna paste. It's, of course it's not gonna paste. Okay. Back. Copy. Paste. Let me see. And you're just trying to look for a part number, to be honest. See, these are Gen 1s. That's what you need to watch out for. Because these are Gen 1s. You don't want to deal. I made that mistake once already. But right here, as you can see, they're $430 each. If this is just for one, you don't know how much the other one's going to be. This one does look to be almost brand new. And here is another one. Oh, but this is for an older one. And then right here is a front right. So I think this is front left, I believe. Doesn't say. Let's see. So that is how the control arm goes. So this is left right here. This one's left. So you're looking around 426 plus. You're looking around $1,000 just for lower control arms if you look on eBay. So the best thing to do is Facebook. Obviously I can't log in because I got banned like 5 times. But the best thing to do is look on Facebook. Also for shocks and stuff like that, Facebook. Everything on Facebook pretty much, depending on your area. I would look around 300 miles within your area because it's better than ordering online at the end of the day. But that's pretty much it for the parts you need. Like, it's just, honestly, it's just a lot of time. It's just time. That's all it is. It's very time consuming to do. See, like, even shit right here, it doesn't search up. So you need to get part numbers. You need to go to Ford websites and stuff like that to get part numbers. So it's just a whole hassle, but you'll be able to get it. Like, at first, because I did want to do the change about a year ago when I first got the vehicle, but I was really, like, not confident in myself able to do it because it seemed very difficult to do because, like, you can't get the fucking parts for shit. Like, see, like, this is just a prime example of that from eBay. And it is a lot of, it is very expensive. So that is, like, a prime example of that. So I really wouldn't, like, recommend buying from eBay as much, only for parts like you can't find on Facebook. So eBay is just like your last hope pretty much at the end of the day. For that. All right, so that's pretty much gonna be it for the video. It's kind of a short video. I was just trying to explain what you need, where you can get it and stuff like that, and where I got it. And I just want to show you that it's not that intimidating to do. As you can see, this is what the build looks like at the moment, but it all started from somewhere. This was when I first lowered it, right here, very beautiful. Look at it. I kind of want another one like this to, have it lowered, but I did struggle for a while when I first lowered it as well. There's always gonna be issues that you have to deal with. And like, you're gonna lose confidence in yourself within the build for like, it's gonna happen a lot, but then you get a random piece of motivation. But honestly, at the end of the day, it's just a truck. You can fucking do it. It's not that, it is difficult, but it's possible. It does cost money, but that's why you have time. I'm very impatient, which doesn't help. But see, you just kind of little by little, you transform it. This was, let me see, or I think I have a picture. I don't. But after this is when it was all paint matched, bead locks and everything. It took me 4 months or 3 months from when I originally purchased the truck. So honestly, it just takes time. I know you want a nice truck, but you should have patience, unlike me. Because if you don't have patience, your truck's going to look like this. Right here. Because I don't have patience. I do everything as quick as possible, as quick as I can. And there's going to be times where your truck is down, you're going to be like fucking irritated. You want to fucking sell the truck. You're tired of that shit already. But at the end of the day, it's going to come out real nice, looking like this. This was when we had the OEM Raptor body on. Real nice, real nice. But at the end of the day, it's all possible. Let me know if you guys have any other questions about looking for the suspension. And in the interior, I can find you guys interior too. I started doing a little bit of the interior, exterior, whatever you need for your build. I can help you find it. And yeah, this is pretty much at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you found the information useful. And yeah. Noches me perturban, sigo siendo el mismo, solo que cambié los